Okay, we're doing part 3 of the water bath today. The acid bath, rather, for the crystals. And let's, oh, I gotta take these out of the acid first. Sorry about that. I mean, out of the neutralizer. Let's take a look. Oh, it's really sunny out here today. Really sunny. Oh, well, good grief. Didn't mean to do that. I'm off to a great start. So these have been neutralized. Alright, put them there in the sun to kind of clean them up a little bit. So that's all I had in that bucket. And let's move these big ones over. Let's take a look at this big one and see if the acid got off it yet. Yeah, it looks like it done a good job. Oh yeah, it cleaned up nicely. Look at all those sparkles. Go ahead and drop that one in here. All right, we got that one soaking. Let's take a look at this one. That one's looking good too. Go ahead and drop him in there. Or her, whatever. Her crystal's male or female, I don't know. That one cleaned up good. Drop it on in there. Those cleaned up really good. Those cleaned up good as well. I'm very happy with the way everything has turned out here. Let's see. Looks like everything is kind of dark up under here. But it looks like everything is out of there. Yeah, that's just maybe some pieces that broke off, maybe. I can't seem to fish them out. Yeah, that's just a little piece of whatever that was. I just don't want that mess getting in my glove. That would be bad. Alright. Now let's move a few of these other pieces in there. I don't know how much space they need between them, so I'm trying to give them plenty of breathing room. I think that ought to be good for now. Get that lid back on there. Alright, we got these soaking. Those are drying out.